Hey guys, it's me TJ here, and today I'm doing a review on the Lego set, the End Portal. So here it is, it has a cave spider right here. And there's like a lantern thing and the bookshelves. There's a pickaxe. Alright, so yeah, there's like a pickaxe back here. Like the cobbler. Yeah, so there's that side right there. Right here. And then this side has like a treasure chest right here. It has an iron ingot, 2 redstone, and 2 diamond. Yeah, there you go, all the way back like that. And then you got like the 2 lava things, and then the Enderman has stone. They're holding stone block. Then here's Steve. He's full diamond armor with a diamond sword. And the cool thing is, look at this. See this thing back here? Watch the lava inside of there. See, it's gonna activate the portal. Ready? What's that? Yeah, that's really cool. So yeah, and there's like snow and stuff everywhere. I guess it's in the snow biome. So, right guys, that's the end of this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!